You designed the perfect survey. Then the data came back and it was a mess. Blank fields. NA typed 40 different ways. Two respondents who spelled their own email wrong. Sound familiar? Here's the thing nobody tells you about research. Collecting the data isn't the hard part, cleaning it is. You lose days scrubbing responses before you can trust a single chart. That's not analysis, that's janitorial work. FormArchitect fixes it at the source. It's a real database and a form builder in one. So your survey doesn't dump into a messy sheet. It writes straight into a structured table, typed, validated, clean from the second someone hits submit. Build your form in one click, add the fields you need, from a name to a star rating to a file upload. Pick from 16 field types and set the rules. Required. Valid email, numbers only. No duplicates. 25 plus rules enforced on every single submission. Build any formula in seconds. Click formula and create anything from simple calculations to advanced logic. Build it visually with our editor, type it out yourself, or let our built in AI generate complex formulas in one go. Our AI has the full context of your form and can reference columns using hash. AI usage will be deducted from your workspace's AI credits. Here, I am using AI to generate a flag that classifies the patient's HbA1c value as high or low. Once the formula is generated, you can either apply it or revise it. Click Save Formula to see the computed result in action. Build your form in one click. All fields are added in the same order as your columns by default, or you can customize the order to suit your needs. All column validations are automatically applied to the corresponding form fields. Want cleaner responses? Add conditional logic to show follow-up questions only when they're relevant. Protect sensitive studies with a passcode. Set an expiry date so the form closes automatically when fieldwork ends. Your respondents get a seamless experience and you get responses that are complete and consistent. Share your form instantly by clicking copy link. And because the responses live in a proper database and not a flat spreadsheet, you can actually work with them. Stop exporting the data to make a chart. Every project has a live dashboard built in. KPI cards for your response count, bar charts by segment, trends over time, group by any field, average it, count it. And it updates the moment a new response lands. No BI tool, no waiting on an analyst. Your research doesn't live alone, and neither should your data. Invite your team, give each person the right role, and every edit is tracked and attributed. Need the raw data for SPSS, R, or Excel? Export to CSV, Excel, or JSON in one click. Your data is yours. No lock in ever. Handling sensitive responses, personal data is encrypted at rest, and every action is logged with a timestamp. You can also mask sensitive data in the UI and keep it masked during export. All data is securely stored using the highest security standards. When always masked data is enabled, sensitive information remains hidden throughout the UI and is revealed only when required. And for clinical research, FormArchitect takes files most tools won't touch. DICOM scans medical records up to 50 megabytes each, attached right to the record. And it all lives in your workspace. Your team's home base. Run one workspace or spin up a separate one for every study, client, or department. Brand it, organize your projects inside it, and switch between them in a click. Bring your team in. Type. Invite up to 20 people at once by email. Give each person the right role. Admins who manage everything, members who work only in their lane. Every seat is tracked. Everyone stays in their swim lane. Start on a free 7-day trial. No card, full access. When you're ready, plan scale with you. More records, more storage, more seats. Or build a custom plan and pay only for what you actually use. Monthly or yearly. Cancel anytime. Your data comes with you. So, whether it's a customer survey, a field study, or a clinical trial, you spend your time on the questions that matter, not the cleanup that doesn't. That's why research teams choose Form Architect. Collect your data, trust it, understand it, all in one place. Visit the website now or scan the QR code to get started.